Welcome back to the FNS Development Training Series. In this video, we are going to walk through how to properly run both the FNS front-end and back-end together using the debugger and VS Code. Up to this point, you've built UI components in React and created back-end API endpoints inside your task folder. Now, it's time to connect the two and see how your front end communicates with your back end in real time. By the end of this video, you will learn how to start the FNS front-end debugger, understand what the mock server is doing and where it runs, start the FNS backend debugger in parallel with the FNS front-end debugger, and verify that the front end and back end are successfully connected. To begin, make sure that you're in your FNS project folder. Then, navigate to the Debug tab in the bottom left corner of the editor. Once the Debug panel is open, navigate to the Debug configuration dropdown. From the dropdown, select Debug FNS Frontend. Once selected, click the play button to start the debugger. This process automates the entire front-end startup for you. It launches the React debugger, it opens a Chrome browser window, and it starts a mock server automatically. In this example, the mock server is running at localhost 1234. Once Chrome opens to localhost 1234, you should see that your UI rendered. This UI is coming directly from your app.tsx file, specifically the code inside the render section. At this stage, you may notice that no systems are populating, your API requests are failing, and data isn't being returned. This behavior is expected. Right now, your front end is running, but it's not connected to the back end. Even though you've already written backend routes inside your task folder, those endpoints are not available unless the backend server is running. To fix this, we need to start the backend debugger. To start the backend debugger, return to the Debug tab, and in the Debug configuration dropdown, select Debug FNS Backend and click Play. This starts the backend server and launches the backend debugger, enables all API endpoints defined in your task folder, and allows the front end to successfully communicate with the backend. Now that the backend is running, go back to the Chrome window with your mock server and refresh the page. After refreshing, you should see successful API requests, data flowing from the backend, and the front-end UI populated using backend responses. At this point, your front-end and backend are fully connected. And with this setup, you are able to set up breakpoints and fully debug your front-end code. That's it for this video. In the next video, we'll learn how to package and deploy your FNS application.